We are on a visit to assess the project's recovery post the El Nino and the damage that had been caused by the massive rains that we received in the recent rainfall period. So far, having done an assessment of the damage, we realized massive losses in terms of the infrastructural loss, the crop loss, and up to now we have done repairs on the flood protection mechanism, which is the embankment dike. We have had damage across 25 points. You realize we also had damage on the Malindi-Lamu road, which of course is being worked on by other government agencies. We on a part have just finalized the reconstruction of the dikes. We have desilted the canal and repaired the Kitere intake. So today is part of the assessment of those repairs in terms of seeing how we can leverage back the project to its full potential realization following the losses experienced during the recent heavy rains. We have received the necessary support required from government. As you may remember from the last conversation we've had, the project is under discussions for PPP. We are trying to also leverage the project to leverage the private capital, private technology, so that we fully realize the potential of the project in its realization of the national food security goals, the import substitution, and also the forex recovery in terms of the money that we lose out in importing of rice.
Task force or the committee that has been tasked to assess the effectiveness of RDS in light of devolution, that is the two levels of government, should do enough public participation so that when they come out with a verdict, they should come out with a verdict or an outcome that is agreeable to all the stakeholders. I'm sure if they went out to look at the impact of RDS on communities, on Kenyans would give back a verdict that RDS should not go away. So I want them to really take this one very seriously, that they have to do enough public participation, because I know the view of the majority of Kenyans is that more than any other thing, RDS have impacted well on the people of Kenya. Thank you.